Today we're in Harbour City and we're heading straight over to the Whitter Village over there in Ironshore, Montego Bay. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, if this is your first time, do remember to tap that subscribe button and like the video as we continue to show you more amazing locations like these. It's a beautiful Monday afternoon here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Pier 1 is straight ahead, but we're not going in that direction. We're going to turn left right here. That will take us onto the Howard Cook Boulevard, past Harmony Beach Park, straight onto the Queens Drive. To the left here is a beautiful bus stop. You'll be seeing it in a bit. But we're going to keep left and continue straight on to the Whitter Village. Whitter Village is an amazing shopping center. You find all of the major fast food outlets there. You find the Wendy's, the KFC, the Pizza Hut, Bird Shack, ice cream place, a lot of amazing locations. So come along on the journey with me. It's a holiday, so the beach is packed. Everywhere is just full. Look at that. Harmony Beach Park there on the left is full right now. The traffic is not so bad. It's a good day for a nice drive out. Look how Jamaica just beautiful, man. Oh my. We love it. We love it. That's why I have to do these videos, to show you these amazing locations. So come along on the journey with me. Let's enjoy the beautiful drive from Harbour City straight into Whitter Village, Montego Bay.